This is FYI on your TV, brought to you by Hometown News. I'm Kathy Botham, and I've got Joe Finley back with me. We're going to cook something up today again, eh, Joe?
Yeah.
What recipe we got today?
Macaroni and egg, butter, cheese, salt, and milk, and another milk
And
go in it.
A dash of paprika. We're doing mac and cheese today.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese, comfort food. We like that when it's cold outside, eh?
Cold outside.
Yes, yes. Now you haven't been here since Christmas. What have you been up to? How was your Christmas?
Good. Went to my brother's night.
Yeah.
Play. Alice came.
Alice came. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. We have to work out another time. Alice is here, and we can do some cooking with her as well again.
Cooking show again.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun when we did it with her.
Last time here.
Yeah, yeah. Now you took a little holiday from Brigadoon because it was closed for a couple of weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks at Christmas time.
Closed Christmas time.
But you're back to work at the Brigadoon.
Back to work at the Brigadoon.
All right, all right. Okay, let's get started here. We have got we do cooking in a crock pot most times, eh? We've done a few baking things, but we like to cook in a crock pot. It's nice and easy. Put it together in the morning, and then it's ready when you come home for supper.
Supper.
Okay. So this is a mac and cheese, and I'm surprised we don't have to cook the macaroni ahead of time.
Not this time.
No. We're going to put that in here. So we're going to start out.
Macaroni?
Yep. We're going to put that in your crock pot. Actually, I'm going to move and put the crock pot close to you because you're going to be putting this together. Now it says we're supposed to spray the crock pot, but you like to use these
liners.
The liners. I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, great idea. Not sticking.
That's right. Crock pots are so hard to clean.
Yeah, sticking.
Yeah. So we've got 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Yeah. And we didn't cook it ahead of time. And 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. So that's this right here.
Yep.
That's this right here. I'll open it up and you can pour it in.
Pour it in.
Do you like mac and cheese?
Yeah, I love mac and cheese.
I like mac and cheese.
Yeah, come over for supper.
I will be there. I will
be there this time.
Yep. Save me a bowl. I will be there.
Save you a bowl?
Yep. All right. I'm going to give that to you. Pour the whole. It says 12 ounces.
12 ounces.
Oh, my goodness. 354 milliliters, Corey. Corey's in the production room. He had to do this for us the last time, too. 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Is that 354 milliliters? I don't think so.
I think
that's 250.
12.
How many cups is that?
We
like to go on the fly here, don't we, Joe?
Yeah.
We'll let. How many cups is that? We're old school, Joe and I. We've got cups, quarter cup. 125 U.S. cups. 1.5. Okay, so that's 1.5 cups.
Okay.
All right. You want me to pour and you hold?
Yeah.
I think so. I would say so. Is that about half a cup? Yep, I think you're right.
Got it all in.
That's all right, yep. We did this the last time too. We needed a little help. We weren't good on our converting our measurements. Joe and I are old school. We still use cups and teaspoons and all that sort of stuff. All right, and now we need 1.5 cups of whole milk. Is that what you brought in here?
Yeah, cold milk.
Okay, so we'll just put that in as well.
In that well?
Yep. Did you measure that out already?
Yep, we measured it already.
That's right. That's good. That's good. So far we've got evaporated milk and we've got...
In here?
Yep. We've got regular milk, is what I call it. There we go. You came all the way from Kempville today. Who drove you today?
Tara.
Tara drove you today. We have to thank Tara for getting you here.
Tell her, come on TV with me. She don't want to.
She's shaking her head at us? Yeah, that's right. Eh? Now we need a quarter cup of butter. And you've got that measured out?
Yep.
Okay. Looks like you bought sticks of butter. That's nice when you buy the sticks of butter because it's already sort of pre-measured and everything like that.
In here?
Yep. Put that in there. And
okay.
We need 1 teaspoon of salt.
Salt.
Now this is there you go. Okay, you hold that and I'll pour the salt. Okay, I know another question is going to come up too. We have to put a dash of paprika in there. How much is a dash? A dash is sort of your own idea of what you'd... There's a pinch and a dash. I think a dash is a little bit more than a pinch. There you go. That's 1 teaspoon of salt. And let's see, did you bring pepper?
Is that, yeah.
Oh, you do. You have pepper, yeah. Give it, it says a dash of pepper. Give it a couple of shakes. What do you think? Is that a dash? I think that's good.
That's good.
Yep. All right. And we need 5 cups of grated cheese altogether, but I think we're only going to put half a cup in there. You have to put eggs in here too, eh?
Oh, egg in it.
Yeah.
I got my 2 eggs.
You got 2 eggs?
Yeah,
All right.
wrapped them up.
Look at you, yeah. You had to travel from Kempville. You made sure these guys made it.
Yeah.
So 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2
Crack
eggs.
them in here.
Yeah, crack them in there. I've been eating a lot of poached eggs lately. I like poached eggs. Do you like eggs? Do you cook eggs a lot?
Yeah, I cook eggs.
All right. And we're going to put in half a cup of cheese.
Half a cup of cheese.
Half a cup of cheese. I guess I don't
Put
have
a
my
whole
rating
bag
glasses.
in.
Well, we
Whole bag.
will eventually. I think we're going to put that on top. We're going to put the
On
rest of
top.
it on top. But I think we just want to mix half a cup in. You hold that. All right. Here we go. Half a cup of cheese.
Half
There's
cup.
there's a Lanark half a cup of cheese.
Put it in
Welcome to Lanark. Yep.
and stir it up.
Yep. Okay, it does say a dash of paprika. Can I put in what I think a dash is?
Yeah.
It's like a sprinkle. There we go. Paprika, that's usually what you put on top of deviled eggs. All right. That looks really good. You got this crock pot it's a tiny for a crock pot, but it's good for when you only want to feed a couple of people, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Couple of people.
All right. You know what? Now we have to put the rest of the cheese on top. How's
The
that
butter
work?
hide.
Yeah, that's because the noodles are still, but once you get them home and cook it,
Yeah.
that'll soften them up.
Soften them up.
All right, so we need 4.5 cups of cheese. We
Cheese.
just put that on top. Sprinkle the leftover cheese on top. So there's 1.
1.
Whoop, 2.
2.
Yep. Right, once again, we're in Lanark. We like cheese in Lanark. We do in Kempville too, don't we?
Yeah. Like
Are
cheese.
Are you counting?
No, nice cheese. I got. I'm not counting.
You don't know? I think this was 4. This one's 4.
4.
You know what, Joe? I think it's safe to say you can put the rest of the bag in. That'll
Rest the bag
put
in.
the rest of the bag in.
Okay, rest the bag. Is
Put
it
it
like
on top.
cheese?
There you go.
Look at that.
That is going to be so good.
Take our picture taken.
We'll get a picture of this, yeah. And actually, I'll get a picture of it when I have supper at
I
your
have
place tonight
two?
too. No, I would just spread it around the top. You're just supposed to. Yep. There you go. Look at that. Awesome. So now it says cover and cook on low for 3 hours and 15 minutes. And then you stir the mixture before you're serving, before you serve it. Okay?
Do it.
So as soon as you get home, plug it in on low for 3 hours and 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
That'll be ready for supper.
Ready for supper. You come over for supper.
I am coming over for supper, yes.
Okay.
For sure I am. For sure I am. That looks really, really good. Awesome.
Come over for supper.
So what are we going to cook next time?
What we cook next time?
You know, we always say meatballs and then we think of something else.
Sing something else.
I know.
Oh, the zonda.
Lasagna?
I like the zonda.
Yeah, I like lasagna too. You make a good lasagna. So we'll put the lid on that.
I like make the zonda
You like? Okay, we'll do that the next time.
next time.
All right, we'll get another recipe and we'll fire it up.
Fire it up.
In Joe's crock pot.
we coming here or
I hope so.
on
It's
Zoom?
it's always nice to have you here. We've done this both by Zoom and here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's always nice to have you here in the studio. We'll see how it works out.
I had thank Tara, bring me here. Thank you, Tara, bring me here. Come on TV with me.
That's Tara Engler we're talking about. She's with Community Living North Grenville as well, too. One of our staff there and one of your support staff. Got you here on time.
Yeah.
Get you back and then plug that in. It'll be ready for supper, right?
Ready for supper.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Tara, for getting her here.
You going to take a picture?
We will take a picture. Yes, we will. We will take a picture. Thanks for joining us again, Joe.
Yeah.
Join us next time for lasagna.
Lasagna.
Awesome. Let's do that. Thanks,
Do that.
Joe. Yeah.